I mean, let's just look here at the produce department in Food Line. These shelves have been wiped bare. You can see that even avocado, evidently guacamole is going to be a hit at Blizzard 2017 this year. Look at the apples. Look over here at the peppers. Places where there would be celery. This is remarkable, folks. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this. Look, lettuce. Lettuce is gone. Broccoli is gone. This could be the healthiest shut-in time that we've seen in years. This is Morrisville Food Line. Jamie Newcomb signing off.